Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title guys, how can we stop talkback in Infinix phone device. Friends, you want to stop guys your phone talkback settings, so how can you stop today friends? I will show you, I will tell you guys. So friends, now let's see how can we stop talkback. So friends, you by mistake guys you have on guys this talkback setting, and guys you don't know how to stop this setting. So friend, don't worry, I will show you. Friends, first of all select any two finger, then guys you can operate your phone easily. So guys I will select this two finger, and guys click on phone setting, one tap, and guys double tap continue. Again guys you will have to use guys your two fingers. So guys scroll it, and as you can see special function guys in your Infinix phone guys, you will have to on special function setting, double tap. Accessibility setting guys, one tap, and guys double tap again continue. Accessibility menu setting guys, talkback setting, we will tap here and get double tap. Use talkback guys, tap here, double tap. Stop. So we will double tap to stop guys talkback. So we will double tap to stop. So friends, you can use your phone guys easily. You can see guys talkback will stop in our phone. Talkback will not work. So like that guys, you can stop guys Infinix on my phone talkback setting guys. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to stop talkback in Infinix phone device. So bye bye guys. Thanks for watching the video.